everyone, and welcome to another video. If you're new here, my name is Bella, also known as This Mindful Mama here on YouTube. And if you're brand new and this is the first time you're seeing one of my videos, we just moved into a cute little apartment and we are so excited about it. So there's been a lot of organization here and cleaning and all that. And I've been so excited as I've filmed it and shared it with you. Right now I'm organizing my coffee nook drawer, and I got this organizer from Target. It's the white bamboo one and I think it's really pretty and I love it, and I've been drinking so much coffee and tea here, so sometimes it gets a little bit out of control, but I was just taking a minute to get it all put back together. Now moving into my bedroom, I usually like to make our bed every morning, but sometimes I leave it so that I can film it later, and it was like that today. I left it and it was super hard not to make it. I was fighting the urge so hard, but here I am making it on camera, and it's always so exciting to me when I see me doing things for the first time in this house on camera, or this apartment. I always say house, but I really enjoy watching it back because it's just so surreal to me. I absolutely love living here, and I'm so excited to keep filming a lot more for you guys in this house, and I'm having so much fun, and I really appreciate everybody being here and everybody who watched the whole moving series, which I will link below, and enjoyed it and left so many positive and sweet comments, and everybody who watched our walkthrough and commented on how pretty the apartment is. We really appreciate that, and we feel the exact same way. Don't wanna pick a fight with it. Everything seems so good. I guess I can't help myself. Would you call me if I'm in the dark? I'm calling up 'cause I'm right under the stars. Would you run on me leaving this mark? But baby, I'm the one who's breaking hearts, one who's breaking hearts. I know that I still have summer bedding on the bed for right now, and it's honestly because I didn't want to bother switching it for fall because I didn't really know what I was going to be doing theme-wise or color-wise in this room, so I wanted to leave it until then. But I've been looking up so many cute ideas on Pinterest for Christmas bedding, and I'm very excited for that because I'm definitely going to be decking this place out for Christmas. I'm looking so forward to it, which is crazy to say because I just decorated for fall. If you missed that, that was my last video, and I still have a Halloween clean and decorate coming, so it's already crazy that I'm thinking ahead to Christmas. But I'm gonna leave a little picture of the bedding right here so that you can see what I'm talking about. And I'm gonna do some laundry motivation because I had a few things I had to fold and put away, and Kennedy will be making a cameo in this in a few minutes, and she is all over the place. I was laughing so hard in the playback, and sending it to all of my friends because it was just the funniest thing ever to watch her crawl all over the place. And there's so many mommy moments because I'm having to like stop her from pulling things out of the wall and crawling in the closet, and it's so funny to watch.
I keep on pretending, I know we better end it. I said it more than once, yeah. You take my love for granted. We keep on talking from body to body, yeah. Getting closer to just being nothing else. I'm a sucker for your love, even though it's kind of toxic, babe. You know I feel it when we touch, that your love is from a different place. It's toxic, babe.
And here's what I'm talking about with little Kennedy trying to crawl in the closet, pull things out of the closet, crawl up the wall, stand up on the mirror. I was having a time trying to wrangle this child and also put things away, but looking back, it's so cute. And these are the moments that I'm gonna miss later when she just wants to hang out in her room and not hang out with me when I'm putting laundry away. So I'm gonna enjoy this while it lasts.
Even though it's kind of toxic, babe, you know I feel it when we touch, that your love is from a different place. It's toxic, babe. Oh, it's toxic, babe. Yeah, yeah. It's toxic, babe.
Here I am trying to prevent her from pulling the wallflower out of the wall, and she eventually got bored of it, but I almost trip over her at one point too, so mom fail.
It is like you set me free, chasing highs to stay alive. But if I'm with you, I'll survive. So hold me close into the night, 'cause I need you to stay. You take me to paradise, that's why it's hard to wait. Can I be around you for motivation? Just a little while now. A simple question, can I get closer?
On moving day, I just shoved everything under the bathroom sink that needed to be under here and didn't even worry about organizing it in the moment, and now I'm taking a minute to get it all under control. And if you see me just randomly stop and look over to the side, it's because I have my lists and categories on my phone that I'm looking at so that I know what bins I need to make. And I got all these bins from Target, and if you're not new here, you'll know that I love these baskets. I love them in all the sizes, and I use them all over the house. So you are totally familiar with me using these baskets if you are a returning subscriber or a returning viewer. And I'm going to be using the same chalkboard labels that I use all the time too. I use them in the kitchen organization, and I also use them in the hall closet, and those two were in the last house. So if you've been here a while, you saw those, but if not, you're going to see them now. They're like little chalkboard labels, and I have a chalk pen and I write the categories so everybody knows what's in each bin, everybody knows where to put them back, and by everybody I mean my fiance Matt. Ladies, I know you can relate to me on that.
Just for motivation.
now I'm just working on figuring out the placement of the baskets and the order of them. I kept all of my stuff more off to the right side where you see my makeup mirror, and kind of our joined stuff in like the left side, because Matt doesn't have hair stuff and makeup stuff, so I took up that kind of whole part of the sink, and his stuff is mainly in the medicine cabinet because it's stuff like Tums and stuff that he usually uses and not really me. But there's also stuff like NyQuil and Tylenol in there as well. It's actually a pretty good sized medicine cabinet, and we were super lucky when moving in and saw that. I was really happy about the size of the medicine cabinet. And I'm now finally unpacking all of my hair stuff and makeup stuff. I've just been living out of this little tote bag that's been sitting in my closet ever since we moved in, but it feels so good to have this finally unpacked and all put away, and it now just feels like we're really moved in and really home.
It's kinda quiet in my room right now without you. And I couldn't really make you stay, so what to do? I'm just staring at my walls and talking to myself. Now and then I'll try to laugh, but I'll cry a bit as well. I was never any good at being away from you. I met you in the summer. When you left it was cold. Said we loved one another. Guess that we were wrong. I met you in the summer. Our love was out of control. I've been going crazy without you for so long. I met you in the
And here is the finished product. I eventually want to get some risers, but it looks okay for right now. And those are those chalkboard labels that I was talking about. But all in all, I'm really happy, and it's functional for what I need. And now I'm just putting everything away and reorganizing everything, because I don't like the clutter that organization leaves behind, but I think it's really important to show on the channel because sometimes you don't see that on YouTube. I really hope that you enjoyed today's video. I know that it has a little bit of a different feel with us just trying to move in and get everything situated, but I had a really great time filming it and making it and seeing it come to life. If you enjoyed today's video, please remember to give it a thumbs up, and if you aren't subscribed already, please make sure you are. And also please turn on those notifications too, because I have a ton more content coming and it's all really fun, and I really hope that you can all see it, so make sure that those are turned on. But until then, I'll see you in my next video. Have a great night, guys.